Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And if you are tired of manually handling all your business activities, then this video is exactly what you need. And in this video, I am going to demonstrate how you can create Asana task for Pipedrive deal with the help of Pabbly Connect. And in this video, I will integrate Pipedrive and Asana with the help of Pabbly Connect. And after this integration, whenever a new deal will get created on your Pipedrive account, then automatically for that particular deal, a task will get created on your Asana account for your team for better follow-up and management. Now I will take you to my screen and there we will see a real-time example of how this automation will work. Hello everyone, here on my screen you can see that I have created this integration where I have integrated Pipedrive and Asana with the help of Pabbly Connect. And with the help of this integration, whenever a new deal will get created on my Pipedrive account, automatically for that particular deal, a new task will get created on my Asana application for my team for better follow-up and management. Now without any delay, I will show you a real-time example of how this automation will work. And for that, I will open my Pipedrive account and in here I will create a demo deal, and for that I have to enter all of these following details. So I will enter them quickly, and then when I will click on this save button, you will see that a new deal will get created here with this particular name MB deal, and here this is the name that I have entered. Now after a new deal has been added inside this particular Pipedrive account, a task will automatically get created on my Asana application. So now I will open my Asana application. You will see that here inside my Asana account, this new task with this particular name MB deal has been created, and now my team can track this particular lead from here. So you just saw how easily I could create this amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, and now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing automation. And for that you just have to go on a new tab and enter pabbly.com/connect, and after pressing this enter button, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Connect. And in here on the top right corner, we have got these two different buttons, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you have to click on the sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Connect gives every new user 100 free tasks every month to create such amazing automations. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button. But before clicking on this button, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members where individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts. And here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video. So you can go and join our community from there. And now as I am an existing user, so I will go back to this landing page of Pabbly Connect, and here I will click on this sign in button, and this will get me directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today as we are going to use this Pabbly Connect, so that's why I will click on this access now button, and after that I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And inside this dashboard on the right side, you can see we have got this create workflow button. By clicking on this button, I can start creating my workflows. But before that, you can see this plus button is given to us. By clicking on this plus button, I can create folders for myself, and in those particular folders I can store my workflows to stay organized. Now I will click on this create workflow button, and then from these two workflow builders I will select this particular new beta version, which is modern, faster and more flexible. After that, inside this dialog box, I will give a meaningful name to my workflow, create Asana task for Pipedrive deal, and then from this second box here I will select this particular folder in which I want to save this workflow, and then I will click on this create button, and here our workflow is created successfully. Now you can see I have got landed on this particular page where you can see this add trigger button is present in front of us, and this add trigger button is like the event on which I want my workflow to get triggered. And after this we will work on our action step, and that action step is actually the response towards this particular trigger. So if I talk about definition, trigger says whenever this happens, action says do this. So this trigger and action buttons are the two basic concepts on which our whole workflow is going to be based on. Now to help you better understand how this trigger and action buttons will work, let me share my objective for today's workflow. So today I want that whenever a new deal will get created on my Pipedrive account, I want to create a task on Asana application for my team for better follow-up and management of that particular lead. So for today, my trigger application will be be Pipedrive. So inside this box, I will search for my trigger application Pipedrive, and then I will select it from here. After that, for this application event, I will select this particular event, new deal, because I want my workflow to get triggered whenever a new deal gets added on my Pipedrive account. And then to connect Pipedrive with Pabbly Connect, I will click on this connect button. And here you can see I have got these two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. So I will click on this add new connection because I am connecting my Pipedrive account with Pabbly Connect for the first time. But if you have already established your connection, then you can go with the select existing connection. So now I have to enter this API token inside this particular box to connect my account. So to get this API token, you can see you have to follow the steps given just below here, but I will show you directly. So you can see this is my Pipedrive account, and in here when I will click on this profile of mine, you can see I have to click on this personal preference, and then I have to click on this API, and here you can see this is my personal API token. So I will copy this API token from here, and then I will paste it inside this particular API token box, and after that I will click on this save button, and after that you will see that I have to enter my company domain inside this particular box. And to get this company domain, you have to follow these steps, and with the help of this you can easily recognize your company domain, but I will show you directly. So for that, this is my Pipedrive account, and in here you can see this pabs.pipedrive.com. so I will just copy this PABST, which is my company domain, and I will paste it inside this particular box of Pabbly Connect here, company domain, like this. And then I will click on this save and send test request button. After that, you will see that it is waiting for a webhook response. This means that we have to go and perform a test to send a data here. So I will go back again inside this particular account, and then I will click on this deals. After that, I will click on this plus deal to add one more deal, and after that we will go back on my Pabbly Connect account and check if we have received any response or not. But before that, let me quickly fill up all of these following details. And after filling up all of these following details, I will click on this save button, and this will add a new deal inside this particular page. And here you can see as a new deal has got added inside my Pipedrive account. So we will go back inside my Pabbly Connect, and in here you can see I have received this response successfully, and inside this response you can see all the details that I have entered there are now captured here successfully. This means that our trigger step is working all fine. So now we will move towards my action step, and for my action step, as I want to create a task inside my Asana account, so for today my action application will be Asana. So I will search for my action application Asana, and then I will select it from here, and inside this application event I will select this particular event, create a task, and then to connect Asana with Pabbly Connect I have to click on this connect button. After that you can see I will again go with this add new connection, and then I will click on this connect with Asana button. And here you can see it will automatically detect my account as I have already logged in inside my Asana account. So here you can see my account has been connected successfully. Now I just have to fill up all of these following details to successfully complete our workflow. So inside this workspace, you can see as I have created only one workspace, this pabblytutorials.com, that's why it has got selected automatically. And then for this project ID, I will click on this drop down, and I will select this particular project ID which I have created for myself. And then inside this task name, I will enter the name of my task. So to fill up this task name, I will take help of mapping, and to map data, you just have to click on this particular box, and then you can see your previous step will get visible to you. So when I will click on this drop down, you can see all the responses that I have received in my previous step are now visible to me. So if I want to enter the task name, so I will simply search for this title, and after that you can see this is the exact deal which I have created inside my Pipedrive. So I will select it from here, and after that inside this note, I will enter this particular text, and inside this notes you can see I have entered this text, new deal added in Pipedrive by dash for client dash. So I will take help of mapping again to fill up some of the data inside this particular box. So first of all, I will search for this particular name, and this is the name of the owner, so I will select it from here. And then for client, I will again search for this Mun, and you can see this is the name of the client, so I have also selected it. And in front of this value, I will search for value inside this box, and you can see this is the value, so I will select it from here. And here you can see I have also filled up the notes inside this particular box. So now I just have to click on this save and send test request button to complete this workflow. But before that, let me share with you why I have took help of mapping to fill up some of these following fields. So if I tell you in simple words, when we map data, then these particular fields become dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. But if I will fill up these fields manually, like you can see, I have typed down this particular text, then this particular text will remain static unless I manually change it. So this means that we have to maintain a balance while we fill up these following fields. Like if I want some data to remain static, then I will type it down manually. But if I want some data to get changed automatically, then I will take help of mapping to enter it. So now I hope that you have understood why I have to help of mapping. So now I just have to click on this save and send test request button, and then you will see that automatically a task will get created on my Asana account. So here we have received this response. Now I just have to go inside my Asana account, and in here when I will refresh this particular page, you will see that a new task with the name Mandil will get created automatically inside this particular page. You can see here this new task has been created successfully, and this is our description: new deal added in Pipedrive by Ashirai for client Man, and you can see this is the value. So this is the exact same node that I have added inside this particular action application Asana. So here I have successfully demonstrated how you can create such an amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, where whenever any new deal will get created on your Pipedrive account, automatically a task will get created for your team on your Asana account. Now you can use this automation for yourself by cloning it from the description box of this video. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel, and for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not only these applications, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this given website here. Also, if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with our friends. Thank you.